Hello and happy Halloween. Happy October 31st. I thought I would share my October daily, do a little flip through of how it turned out. It was fun. This year was really weird because we didn't really do a lot. Halloween, I really didn't even decorate. I don't know, it's just kind of a different year in general. So, thankfully, Pink Up Bird had the prompts, or I would have had an empty journal. So yeah, let's hop into it. So I used some ribbon that I love to make a tuck spot, and in the front little pocket I have some of the cards from Julie. We did from the from my Facebook group, we did our first swap, and it was an altered card swap, and so I tucked those in the front, and then also some raven tags from the very first digital that I ever made. I thought that was a fun little memory. And then I made some just silly little Halloween dangles and clipped them on the side. And then I also have, it was just all dangly all over. And then I have dangles on the bottom. And then I tried something that I don't know if it's really gonna work. But I made like a buckle, and you can see all my glue. Thankfully, this is just my journal that I'm not doing any, I mean, I'm gonna keep it, but I'm not listing it because I tried this buckle and it's closed now, but it has a ton of glue. Let's see if it shows up on camera. Yeah, and then it just pops open. So, the idea didn't totally work. Probably because the journal is stuffed full. That's probably why. So in the front pocket, I have the prompts, and I just want to pull those out so I can kind of remember as we go through what I did. On my first page, I just have a picture of my family, kind of to show, like, you know, my kids, since they'll be, you know, tons taller and changed in a year, so I just wanted that for reference. And then day one, oh, spell the word uh-oh with washi tape. And my letters are coming off. So I put a bunch of strips of washi tape down, and then use some letters that I have and cut out the washi tape so it says Happy Halloween right there. And then I just put a couple things that were going on around that time, and then did some decorating. This is also with washi tape, this cat and the broom. Number 2 was create a page with a drawing element of your favorite person in a scary movie. I couldn't think of a favorite movie, but the favorite series, The Bates Motel. He was an awesome Bates. He was really good. And then number 3, what lives under your bed? I don't think I did that one. I did, that was a crazy weekend. That's when the president was positive for COVID, so I just wrote some stuff on that just to kind of remember. And then number 4, make your own Halloween bat. I didn't write the story, but I made the bat. And then here I have my little digital. I think I did something with the digital video on this, and I just made a little flip. And it was a raven. It was decorate with a raven. So I did that for that page. And then number 6, oh, I didn't do number 6. I did number something. Did I do something else? Oh, I just a little note about this journal that I had made and my little charms. So I didn't follow the prompts on this day. I just kind of decorated and talked about this journal. And then number 7. Oh, and this one was create a layout with your favorite theme. So I did witches, because I think that's my favorite Halloween theme. All right, and then on this day, I did my favorite things that I typically like to do in the fall. Things like drive up north. I mean, the shaker pocket. Yeah, I think I did a video for that one. And then number 9 was decorate a house, I think. Nope, yeah. Decorate or design, blah, blah, blah. I'm doing it again. Design or describe your ideal spooky house. So I took a lot of the Tim Holtz, what is it? Like the wallpaper paper, and I just have the shape of a haunted house, and I just kind of pieced it together. And then number 10 create your representation of a zombie. Well, I can't draw, but my kids play Plants vs. Zombies all the time, so I found a picture and I cut it out and I colored it, and there you go. And then this one I left blank, so I just did a little decorating. And then number 11, I didn't follow the prompt. I put some pictures. We are, after many, many, many years, it's very exciting. We're building a pool in our backyard, and the process is super exciting to watch. And here, my husband and my son are watering the concrete as it cures. And my husband is very excited. He is sitting in the jacuzzi after he finished watering it, and he's hanging out in the jacuzzi. And I just put pool progress for that one. Number 12, decorate a witch's hat. So there is my hat with my sparklies. My favorite witch is from the musical Wicked. The Wicked Witch is my favorite. I just love that musical and I love that character. So I was thinking green for her. Ah! Losing my beautiful emeralds. Okay, and then moving on, number 13, I have a picture of our cat sitting on our kitchen table, and we have this game that we've been playing. It's called Gloomhaven, and she thinks that she owns it. It drives me nuts that she sits on our kitchen table, but I think she wants to play the game. So I just snapped a picture before I shoot her off the table of her sitting there acting like this is her domain. And I just put other cat pictures that I have. And I labeled it Gloomhaven Cat is what I named it. This one, I just made a little decoration, put some words behind it. 14, your favorite movie, TV or book, which? And so Wicked for sure is my favorite. So I decorated in green. I printed some pictures from the internet and just kind of collaged around. Number 15, I think, is the design your own graveyard. First, I tried with a stamp set that I got from Michael's, and that was a big fail. That was horrible. And then I just cut out some images or pictures from the scrapbook pad that I have, and there you go. It's not the best, but there it is. Number 16, I think, is movie something. Let's see. Favorite Halloween or horror movie? I'm not a horror movie person, so I did The Great Pumpkin, right, with the pumpkin patch. That was what I did. 17, my son's birthday is actually October 15th, so I put stuff about his birthday, blowing out his little cake. And then going to number 18, which was create a ghost. So this is my ghost. I have some lace and I cut it out, and there's googly eyes. Can you see under there? Googly eyes for my ghost. And then where are we? Number 19. Oh, I talked about my first full digital kit, and I wrote about it. And then number 20, I think, is the things that you put in a witch's cauldron. And I had a googly eye, so I put that there. Thought that was fun. And then 21, I think, is a haunted tree. Let's see. A spooky Halloween tree. So there you go. Some of the prompts I did better than others. And then I did some more pictures. My son and I, we took the dogs for a walk. We have two. In this picture, the one dog is already in the bathtub, but I don't know if you can see. But we went for a walk at night, and so we didn't know, but they had just watered the grass. And earlier in the day, they sprayed pre-emergent, and it made the dog's paws turn green. So we had to then wash both of the dogs. And his fur is white, so he really had it bad. And here is my husband enjoying the backyard progress again. And then on this day, I voted by mail for the first time. On this day, we had really cold temperatures for Arizona. It was like 66 degrees, which is crazy at this time of year. And so I was joking that everyone was freezing. This is a caterpillar that I found on our front porch, and it was huge. It was like this big. I had never in my life seen a caterpillar that gigantic. What day are we on? 25. So on this day, I put more of the altered playing cards. that I received from the swap. Those are from Julie and these are from Pam. So I tucked those in there because I thought that would be really fun. And I just decorated this page. More pool progress. We have travertine now and our jacuzzi. It's coming along. It's so exciting. Can't wait. Just decorated. My son recently, my husband set him and my daughter up with Facebook Messenger so they can just kind of chat with friends and us or whatever. And there's filters. We were playing with the filters. Oh my gosh, that's just so silly. And then I made a post or a thing about this because I was very excited, but I finally had found Lysol wipes. I actually broke down and bought them from Amazon. I didn't really find them. I just paid an exorbitant amount of money. $29, another picture of our cat. Michaela, our daughter, when she sits like this, she calls her a loaf cat. So I wrote about that. These are just some extra pages. Glued together. And then we finally decorated pumpkins, and the kids actually cut them out. We helped with the tops, but they actually scooped out all the stuff and actually carved them themselves. It was very exciting. My daughter actually needed a little help, but yeah. And then this is for today when I get pictures from this evening, and I'll put them here. And then this is my very jam-packed, that doesn't close, October daily. It was really fun, and I thank Pink Eyed Bird for the October daily prompts. They were very helpful when I didn't have a lot of pictures this year. All right, so there we go. Have a great crafty day. Bye-bye.